Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction and Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Crypto.com coin, CRO, is the native cryptocurrency token of Crypto.com chain, a decentralized, open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Crypto.com chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. CRO, currently the market's 15th largest coin, soared to popularity in mid-November when its price started making unconventional highs on the chart. The same period coincided with the coin's hyped-up marketing campaign. Over the past few months, Crypto.com had announced back-to-back deals with a host of football clubs, right from UFC to PSG. It also dribbled its way into the basketball court by securing the naming rights to the Lakers Staples Center in a $700 million deal. Amidst all the aforementioned hype and hoopla, Coinbase decided to list this coin on its exchange due to the rising demand. In effect, all the factors in conjunction instigated CRO's 250% rally in November. Time to go downhill? Most of the hype associated with Crypto.com or its native CRO coin has seemingly started fading away at this point. The lack of trending credentials has eventually shaken the user base dynamics. The active addresses landscape looked quite shrill and outgoing in November. However, it has drastically shrunken now, implying that a substantial number of users have departed from the ecosystem of late. The same has also had a negative effect on Crypto.com's network growth too. At the time of this analysis, the sell-side pressure associated with CRO was additionally seen becoming even more imminent. ITB's order book data highlighted that more than 3 million additional tokens had been sold than bought just over the past hour. The deteriorating state of the network, coupled with the withering state of activity and sell bias point towards one thing, an uncertain future for the coin. If the state of the metrics do not improve, then it would be difficult for CRO to head up north towards its preset highs. The coin's trajectory on the price chart looked rather interesting at the time of this analysis. As can be seen from the chart attached below, the candlesticks on CRO's chart, to a fair extent, were adhering to the Burj Khalifa pattern. Until the 6th of December, CRO was right on track. It was, in fact, seen meticulously justifying and maintaining the sanctity of the pattern. However, over the last couple of days, the coin has restrained itself from dipping, thereby leaving the pattern sort of incomplete. The 61.8% Fibonacci level has acted like a strong support of late and has restricted the coin from creating lower lows. In fact, even at press time, CRO was seen trading above the aforementioned threshold. But now, looks like the alt wouldn't be able to thrive for long above the aforementioned level. More so, because of the lack of momentum and buying interest. Thus, in light of the deteriorating state of the coin's metrics, it can be contended that the 61.8% fib level cannot single-handedly save the coin from dipping in value. Ergo, the odds of CRO dunking to a level as low as 43 cents over the next few days seem to be quite likely at the moment. After Bitcoin's Black Friday crash, the entire market seemed to turn red barring some altcoins like Crypto.com coin and surprisingly, Terra, Luna. In fact, Luna was one of the only alts in the top 20 to see over 5% daily and 8% weekly gains. Since the 26th of November, however, Luna started seeing minor gains as its RSI broke out of the downtrend it was in all through November. At the time of writing, the alt's price had broken above the crucial $45.56 mark, which has been an important resistance for Luna. Terra USD, Terra's native stablecoin backed by Luna, has also seen growth in its market cap over the last month. Its market cap rose from under $3 billion on the 10th of November to $7.17 billion at the time of writing. Furthermore, missing retail FOMO in Terra's rally seemed to be a worrying trend. Notably, trade volumes have been pretty low and a macro downtrend in trade volumes since October could be seen. A lack of both institutional and retail interest in the alt could be one reason behind its price falls, apart from the positive BTC correlation which the alt seemed to break at the time of writing. With the price trend for Luna picking up pace, a move from the retail side can push the crypto to new ATHs. And at the end of December it fell to $0.019, ending 2018. As a bearish note, CRO entered 2019 with an exchange value of $0.020. Later, the price effectively triggered an upward trajectory, and by mid-March, the token rose to $0.098, and at dawn in April it fell to $0.044. The currency was tested again at $0.096 for several days and continued to fluctuate after that. Surprisingly, by mid-July, the coin reached the 10 cents mark, as the currency was registered on many exchange platforms, and then fell to 5 cents. After the bearish attack, the token began to decline, and by December, by the end of 0.1, it reached $2,019. CRO opened 2020 with a trading price of 10 cents. In the future, the price began to grow steadily and by mid-February reached $0.065 and continued to decline. With some variations, the currency shockingly dropped to the support level at $0.032 by mid-March. Later, the token rose on an upward trajectory and by the beginning of September actually rose to 17 cents, when the community successfully launched a feature called Stake to Take, and fell sharply to 10 cents by the end of November due to market activity. By December, Crypto.com coin dropped to 10 cents, ending 2020. Crypto.com coin started 2021 with a bearish divergence effect at a trading price of $0.058. Later, the price actually began to accumulate, and the coin unexpectedly reached the 27 cents mark. In addition, it is assumed that the price will rise if the community focuses on certain events and partnerships and can be placed on many exchange platforms. By the end of 2021, CRO may be trading at a high price of $1.50. The digital currency can start 2022 with an exchange value of $1.60. The token can grow further if it focuses on launching more products on its platforms, such as derivatives, exporting transaction history, and more. CRO could end 2022 with a trading price of $3.20. CRO may reach a new milestone in the next 5 years. It could be included in the top 10 currencies if it constantly monitored certain improvements to its platform and focused on ensuring transparency for its applications. It can compete with many other altcoins and attract more investors and users. It is assumed that by the end of 10 years, the CRO will reach $5. On a bearish note, CRO set the year 2021 at $0.058. Then the price rose to 27 cents, reaching a record level on February 22. Crypto.com coin can compete with other coins because it offers features such as trading, financial services, and payments.